Hello and welcome to today's Financial Market News podcast. In this episode, we'll be discussing the latest happenings in the financial markets from April 10, 2023, to today's date, April 20th, 2023. Let's start with the stock market. The market opened on April 10, 2023, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, at 35,213.11, the S&P 500 at 4,222.04, and the NASDAQ Composite at 14,178.56. Over the past 10 days, we've seen some volatility in the stock market due to a variety of factors, including rising inflation concerns, geopolitical tensions, and the ongoing pandemic. On April 13, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite both hit all-time highs, with the S&P 500 closing at 4,264.47 and the NASDAQ Composite at 14,329.76. This was largely driven by strong corporate earnings, particularly in the technology sector. However, the market saw a sharp drop on April 19, with the DJIA falling 2.5% and the S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite both down over 2%. This was due to concerns about rising interest rates and inflation, as well as geopolitical tensions between the US and Russia. Turning to the cryptocurrency market, we've seen continued volatility in Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Bitcoin opened on April 10 at $57,721.10, and we saw it reach a high of $63,651.05 on April 14 before falling back down to around $57,000 over the past few days. Other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Dogecoin have also seen significant fluctuations in value over the past week. In other news, the U.S. Federal Reserve held its policy meeting last week, and while they kept interest rates unchanged, they signaled that they may start raising rates sooner than expected in response to rising inflation. This caused some concerns among investors, as higher interest rates can lead to slower economic growth and potentially impact stock market returns. Finally, we've seen some major mergers and acquisitions in the business world over the past week. Amazon announced that it will be acquiring MGM for $8.45 billion, while Verizon is set to acquire TracFone for $6.25 billion. These deals are expected to have significant implications for both the media and telecommunications industries. That's it for today's Financial Market News podcast. As always, we encourage you to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.